Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another mini release over at Whimsy Stamps, and today I'm here to share with you the new Spring Birds stamp set. It is a clear 4x6 stamp set that comes with 7 images and 2 sentiments. This little bird with the nest and baby birds measures about 2 1/4 by 1 1/2. The wreath measures about 1 3/4 by 2. The floral spray measures 1 3/4 by 1. The springing bird measures 1 3/4 by 2, and the birdhouse measures 1 3/4 by 2 1/2. And the 2 little accent flowers measure about 3 1/4 inches. This first one, I used the springing bird and I stamped and colored him and cut him out onto a circle. I also stamped the sentiment on a die cut tag from the bookmark and tag die set. And for my background, I used the new chevron background stamp. For my second card, I used the birdhouse, and to extend the post on the birdhouse, I die cut the post from the Build a Spring Garden die set so that it could represent the eye and the word spring. I die cut the word spring from the Bold ABCs die set, and the background paper is from the Busy Bees paper pack. And that's it. That finishes up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have all of that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram, as well as join our Facebook group. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.